man, what's going on?
He's discharged, doesn't want to leave, destroying our property.
What's going on? Okay.
I need some clothes because it's cold outside.
Okay.
Where's
this clothes at?
Clothes like that.
He has some over there. You just started throwing. Come over here, bro.
This is where the situation shifts from confusion to clear refusal and entitlement conflict. The request for equal clothing sounds simple, but in custody settings, compliance rules override personal demands. Notice how quickly frustration starts building over basic provisions.
I need clothes like he is. And I need a security guard's iPhone.
There's your clothes right there.
Oh my God. Let me stand up.
Well, let's get some clothes on, okay?
Yeah, I need clothes like the guy behind hit her.
Okay, I see what you're saying, but we can't provide that for you.
He can. He can give me his if you have to.
You don't fit in his clothes, and he
I
can.
do.
Hey.
He patronizing me. I'm suing Illinois and Missouri.
Okay.
He patronizing me.
Okay.
What did he break? Oh, the monitor.
Yeah. I can pay for another monitor. I can pay for another monitor. I can pay for another monitor.
Now we enter the classic escalation pattern, verbal deflection into legal threats. "I'm suing" is often used in high-stress encounters, but legally speaking, there's no standing here yet. The monitor damage claim is the first actual material allegation that could matter.
I need somebody to sign a complaint for that. He goes. I'm done with you.
Yes.
Goes where?
Yes. To jail. You're going to jail. Get up. Get up.
Come on.
Put your hands behind your back. You're going to jail.
Come on.
You're going to jail.
My hand don't fit behind my back.
They will. Don't resist.
Go.
Black lady. Help the black man.
This is a turning point. Once law enforcement authority is asserted, non-compliance becomes a legal risk. Probation mention here is important because it elevates the stakes instantly. At this point, every action is now being evaluated under custody compliance laws.
Black lady. I hate custody.
Don't move so I can make sure they don't tighten up on you. I can see that your fingerprints just fine.
I'm not getting arrested.
You are getting arrested.
I'm on probation.
You're already arrested.
Latasha Hood is my probation officer. Madeline Daly is my judge. I'm suing Illinois
Good.
and Missouri. You think you finna inject me with some shit? I'm finna piss on this floor. I'm finna get up and leave and go on the Metro Link. Keep playing with me, bitches. Keep playing with me, bitches. Keep fucking playing with me, bitches.
That's everything
I
you
need
know.
my uglies out there.
Okay, cool. Cool.
Thank you, Miss Lady. I apologize for spitting on the lady in the
You help us on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, help us.
I need more pants.
This is what you're wearing to jail.
I'm not going to jail.
You are
Cut
going
that.
to jail.
Let me spit in your face.
Do it. That'll just be another charge.
Quiet.
It's all right.
I can't put it.
Here's a critical legal reality. Probation status means zero tolerance for resistance. Even passive obstruction can trigger violations. The subject denial of arrest doesn't change legal custody once officers physically detain him.
You put it right there, and you won't spit on me. Got me? Nope, that goes back up there. Let's go to the car. Think you're gonna spit on me? You were trying.
I tried. I did.
Yep, that's why you're not getting charged, but I'm not gonna let it happen either. I ain't no stupid idiot, right? You're the one who can't figure out how to act normal.
Oh. I'm not going to
That's how it gets in the winter time.
7324711.
the white driver is mine.
Race ain't nothing, man. Race ain't nothing. We're all people.
It's a human race. I know.
That's right,
But I
the
hate
human race.
Caucasian. I hate Caucasian.
I don't care what you hate.
You also hate-
I don't hate you, but you're gonna have a seat in this car now. Pick your leg up.
Your legs up.
Leg up. Sit down. Other leg.
This is pure escalation psychology. Threats, defiance, and emotional overload. Notice how the language shifts into chaos when control is lost. Officers now have to manage both safety and de-escalation simultaneously.
Scooch on.
Move his shoulder.
Don't spit on anybody.
I'm gonna spit on you.
Yeah, I know you will.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
All right.
He's a couple hundred pounds.
Yeah.
I don't want to break my back or nothing. He is a spitter, but he might not spit on you. He doesn't like Caucasians.
He does. Yeah. He's
What's his name?
like us.
I don't know. We'll have to get that.
Demetrius or something. Demetrius.
What's going on with you?
We gotta go to Granite City first.
No. St. Clair County.
We got to.
I
Brother.
Granite City don't have a problem with me. St. Clair
We
County.
don't. We don't. But listen to me.
Everybody can make up today.
If you cooperate,
And I'm going to St. Clair County.
okay. Well, you gotta cooperate when it's hot.
After I cooperate, I'm going to St. Clair County to get $5,000.
I'm fine with that.
St. Clair County.
I'm fine with that. Deal. All right, you gonna be good. I'll meet you down there. Yep.
These things signed first.
Give me a couple seconds.
You live in St. Clair County, man?
No, I live in Hope.
Oh, okay.
I'm in Granite City. I'm going to go to Granite City Walmart. St. Clair County finna deliver me $5,000 and deliver me some security clothes. And they better get those because I need my $5,000 and I need my security clothes before I go to Walmart.
Okay.
If they think I'm playing, wait till I get my ID. I know St. Clair County got my hard copy ID with my 3001 West Boulevard address on it. Tell me I gotta go to the library. No, that library shit gonna come to me.
Okay.
I'm supposed to put my mailbox in it. I know I'm rich. Bitches.
Ready? All right. You ready? Hang on, let me unbuckle you. Don't get caught.
If I gotta repeat myself, somebody getting fired. Okay. I need to do a police issue.
All right.
17.
Come on.
St. Clair County.
Let's go this way.
$5,000. And I need a fucking ID with a driver's license, like a passport.
Yeah, you trying to go?
St. Louis. I'm right. My nephew gonna be in the car with me. I'm not getting none of these sales.
Okay. Well, you're
All right.
You
wanna have a sit?
You just did. So.
Maybe do it again.
What's your name?
Go on.
What's your name?
That's right.
I'll be up front. Actually,
Okay.
I need Wendy's.
The what?
I need a card.
Oh.
He finna go get me some money.
Hey.
He finna go get my shit from Fairview and St. Clair. You better hurry the fuck back, bitch.
What's your name?
My team is demanding nothing.
Listen, we're not gonna do the racial shit. We're not gonna do all that.
Alright, I don't care. I really the fuck don't care.
Listen, you can sit here, you'll never get out.
I will get out.
You won't.
I'm already suing Illinois. Make it.
That's fine.
Make it. I'm already. I wear
We
black
go.
pants. You know. And how fast before I get out of here so I can go back. So I can go back and
The
finish.
faster you get booked, the faster you can get out.
How long I gotta sit in one of those?
This is one of the most important grounding moments. Officers attempting to de-escalate by reframing the situation beyond emotion or identity conflict. Legally and procedurally, this is where calm communication becomes a safety tool, not just conversation.
Now, like I say, white dudes finna go to Fairview Heights. Resistant what? Resistant what?
How do you spell your first name?
ARTEMIS. Now, like I'm saying, I'm making
Let her answer your question. Let her answer.
well, not while I'm making demands. Ask me questions. You got 5 seconds. 5. It ain't that I don't like white people. I don't like crack ass crackers.
What's your middle name?
Tremaine. Don't ask me how to spell it. I spelled it too many times.
I'm seeing.
I need that iPhone.
Try it one more time.
I already got Galaxy. I need that iPhone 17. With my ID and my money. And my car. Shit.
Yeah, they got a fit for
I'm
confinement.
driving today. My nephew was passing.
Yeah, I did not. I got a welfare check.
My first and one and only DUI is a no-no. I was serious about my money. I was serious about family rights. I was serious about Belgium. I was serious about St. Louis. I was serious about getting on the very high believe it. Where I go, I don't know. I'm going to St. Louis. I got $5,000. You not going to Fairview for me? No. You not going to Belgium for me? I mean, they got 30 minutes to get my shit in.
Let's talk about it.
Did you already bring stuff in? You need to know the dollar amount.
Take it over to
When did you come to the state court?
It's a hospital. It's a state supported.
No, those are just.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
So what do you want me to put in with this then?
You can hold off on that real quick.
On the charges?
Yeah, did you fingerprint him?
No, we haven't gotten that far because he was new in here.